Joseph from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's talk, I am going to tell you the secret of my achievement, how I have achieved the things and how I have learned the things. According to me and what I have experienced is, when I get out of my comfort zone, I have achieved so much. I have learned so much. When you stretch yourself, when you push your limits, then only you can see and you can find your true self, your capabilities, your strengths, how you can manifest anything. That's what I have believed and that's what I have achieved in my life, whatever I am not knowing, whatever knowledge, skills I am having. You can compare any year, any time, any day of myself being in the future, being in the past and now in the present. So whatever is the result or whatever is the outcome is me going out of my limits, pushing my limits and going out of the comfort zone. So if you are one looking for achieving something, you must get rid of your comfort zone and expand your consciousness and push your limits in order to achieve something. And this I am not saying because I have achieved this, because I have experienced. That's the reason I am telling you. I am not bothering about any people or anything where I have learned, but I know this stuff and I have experienced this. So that's the reason I am sharing you. And whatever I have shared till now on this channel is through my experience only, is through my learning only. That's the reason I am sharing this. It is not fake it to make it. Please keep in mind. Every day I do guided mindfulness meditation to know my purpose, to know thyself, what is going on inside, to know what is my goal, to know how I can achieve it, how I can progress it, how I can enhance, how I can improve myself. And in that way only I am sharing my knowledge. I am not doing faking to making thing. Lot of people do fake it to make it. They just say something but they are doing something. But I am not like that. I say what I do. I stick to my consistency, to my work, to my dream, to my goal. And that's what keeps me different, and that's what keeps me motivated, and that's what helps me to achieve something great in my life. Almost all the successful people and great people have these things in common. They love what you do. Are you doing the work what you love? Are you having that energy, waking up very high energy and motivated and inspired to get back to work, to do something amazing? Are you feeling that charge in yourself? If not, then you need to change your work, because you are not doing the work what you love. But when you do the work what you love, just as I am doing, I love to make videos, to share message, so that I am doing and I am enjoying it. And secondly, I am having my job here as a customer service, and here I need to interact with people, walking customers, to understand them, to dealing with people. I enjoy it. So that's the two job I am doing, which I am loving. So I never find myself imposed or bombarded with the responsibilities. But I know very well that I love what I do. So this is what kept me going each and every day. When I don't make video, I feel something is lacking, or something I am not sharing my message, what I know. And remember, knowledge not used is garbage. If you are having knowledge, but if you are not using it, if you are not sharing it, if you are not implementing it, then it is a garbage. So I am having a knowledge, and so that's the reason I am sharing and I am implementing myself each and every day. So knowledge not used is garbage. Keep this in mind. So that's my role of success, and that's what I have improved also so much. When I go out my limits, when I go out of my comfort zone, I have improved so much. From the previous version, I have improved to the new version with great psychic power, great cognitive abilities, great mindfulness, great psychology, great thinking, great mindset. I have evolved so much. So this was the message from my end. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.